Hello, hello. Here at Remax Realty Group and Remax 100, we are committed to helping you get fully trained on the new BOOJ platform. And we're bringing live classes out to your offices and things like that. But there is some great online training at the Remax website, and so I want to do this short video to show you very quickly how to access that online training for you. So here I am at the remax.com website, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now this is how you access BOOJ also. So most of this is pretty elementary, but just in case, we're going to go step by step. And you click this Remax affiliate login down here at the bottom. At the top of the page, you want to resist the urge to click My Remax. While that might kind of make sense in your brain, don't click there. That's for consumers. You want to click all the way down here to Remax affiliate login. And it's going to open up a separate tab for you. And it has been logging me in automatically. Oh, good, it didn't. So here, when you put in your address, you're going to want to use your remax.net email address. They're not going to use Yahoo or Gmail or whatever other email you might use. You need to use the @remax.net. And then come here and type in your password. And it's going to open up. And when it opens up, it's going to have all those flags or apps, I guess, here. That you can use. And if you didn't know this, if you click the little flag here to the right of the eye, that will kind of highlight it, and it'll move that particular icon up to the top of the page. So you see here my 4 blue ones that I've got are the 4 that I want to sort of access most quickly, and then there's some other ones here that are just sort of funneling down below. But if there's one that you really want to reference quickly all the time, you just click right there to that blue, and it'll bring it up to the top. In this case, you'll see BOOJ here, and this is where you get into BOOJ, but what we want to do is actually go to Remax University. So click the little graduation cap here, and that's going to open up another tab for you. And this has tons of good information, not just BOOJ stuff. So it has listing information, buying agent information, how to build a team, all different kinds of things are here. So you can scroll through and see any of that stuff. But if you come here to watch a video, you will see that many of the most recently uploaded videos are BOOJ related, right? So I come down here to the second page of videos, lots of BOOJ stuff. Now most of these are little snippets. Here's a 7-minute one, here's a 5-minute one, here's a 12-minute one, based on just very specific things they're trying to teach you. But if you look deep enough, and I think it's on page 3, did I see it on page 3? Yeah, here's one that's a 64-minute one. So that's really maybe an overview or a longer presentation on the BOOJ platform. So very quickly, come to the remax.com site, come down to affiliate login. When you click there, it's going to log you into your Max Center. For Max Center, go to University. And once you're in the university, watch a video, and then any of these with the big red BOOJ logo on them are specific training for that platform, and so you can get a little bit ahead of class, and then we're going to be rolling out more and more live trainings in each of the offices, but this is a way that you can get ahead or learn a particular functionality if that's something that's important to you sooner rather than later. And we look forward to hearing all your successes with BOOJ. Let us know if there's anything you need, and have a great day.